Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did not mean to make this video today. I wasn't expecting to make this video, but I recently just purchased these grips and I thought, you know, like, I know there's so many videos out there on how to replace your grips on your bike everywhere, but you know, everyone's methods are a little bit different here and there, so I decided what the heck, I would just go ahead and film this video. So I just actually bought myself new grips. They are the race face grips, just not like any other high-end grips or anything like that. I've never bought grips for any of my bikes. I've just used the grips that have come on the bikes. And so this time I want locking grips. I've had issues with the grips that are now on my mountain bike just moving and just things like that. So I was like, you know what, I need to buy locking grips. So that's what I did. So I bought these and they just look like this. Like I said, they're just race face. Just got them in the color red to match my bike, you know, the whole thing. So anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys how I get grips that are non-locking off my bike. Let's get on to it. So for any of you ladies out there, if you don't have WD-40 lying around like I did, then you can just use hair oil, argan oil, Moroccan oil, or anything like that to get your grips off. It'll work perfectly. So what I did was I just put a few drops at the very end of the grip and then also at the top of the grip just to wiggle it off instead of having to worry about getting in the middle. I found putting it on both ends worked pretty good. I just used my finger to make sure I was getting the oil evenly all over the bar in between so it would easily glide off. I know there's other methods of people putting a flathead screwdriver in there, but I found doing this can scratch the handlebars and it might not be a big deal to some people, but I really didn't want to scratch up anything, so that's why I just opted to, you know, use my finger to spread all the oil around. After you get the grips off, you just want to make sure you wipe down everything and get any excess oil off the bar. And then also in my case, I had a little bit of grit that went in the inside, so I was just making sure I was getting all that out before I put on the brand new grips. Next, I'm just using an 8mm hex driver. One thing to be careful of is not to over tighten the screws because I did do that and I stripped the screws. So this will be fun getting off when I need new grips. And with that, you're done putting on your new grips. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you guys have any other hacks for getting grips off like this. Bye guys!